Hi, Zach here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. Wanted to give you a quick video walkthrough here of this Yamaha AR 240. This here is a 2017. A very, very impressive boat. Lots of great features. We're going to start right here on the outside of the boat and look at a few small things that you'll notice is that it's got stainless steel rub rail, stainless steel pull-up cleats, good looking white hull with that red bottom, good looking aggressive graphics. This boat is set up with the custom trailer here, with a swing tongue tandem axle, just an overall sharp looking package. The AR is going to have the tower with the bimini top. This boat also has the snap-on bow and cockpit covers as well. Work your way over to the other side of the boat and it is again very sharp, aesthetically pleasing boat. Spare tire is mounted on this side, and again those good looking aggressive AR 240 graphics going down the side of the boat. Work our way to the transom before we hop on board, and down here you're going to see the center mount 3-step ladder. You also notice the thrust vectors along with the articulating keel. The swim platform alone is kind of a standout feature on the Yamahas. You take a look at the multi-tiered platform, all covered in the sea deck, the big contoured backrest, multiple cup holders. This truly is an entertainment center on the Yamahas. It's also kind of neat how they do the flip outs in the back, so you've got storage on both port and starboard side. And the cockpit table can mount right on the swim platform, really making this a fun area to hang out. From there, we're going to jump inside this AR 240, and the first thing someone's going to notice is the amount of space. This boat truly has a lot of volume. For a 24-foot boat, the U-shaped seating in the back is very, very large, very open, and very deep. Two big, comfortable helm seats, nice snap-in flooring, and a lot of storage. You'll notice as we work our way back how big and how comfortable those seats are in the Yamahas. The captain seat here has flip-up bolsters, flip-up armrest, swivel, and reclining. Work our way back. The condition of the upholstery for a 2017 is very, very nice. The filler cushion in the middle can be removed for a full walkthrough. Grab handles, speakers, cup holders mounted below, and there's a space for the cockpit table right here. Simply mount the table in the middle, swivel your bucket seats in a circle there, and you really have a big area just to entertain and hang out with friends and family. Very cool option. You also notice the sea deck on top of the table along with the cup holders. I mentioned these seats can recline and the armrest can go up. It's a very nice feature when you look at the passenger side of the boat. It really gives you almost a lounge type layout area right here on the passenger side. Work our way over to the helm seat. I mentioned that as well, has the flip-up armrest, but you also have a flip-up bolster, really giving you good legroom and the ability to see over the dash. Since we're here, we'll take a peek at the dash, that good-looking 3-spoke Yamaha wheel. Your controls down below, a little bit of storage, and you also have a couple of cup holders down and out of the wind. Up on the dash, you're going to find another cup holder, center mount tachometers for both motors, and then you do have the Yamaha Connext Touch Screen display with everything from audio, lighting, engine vitals, engine information, and you can run that also from the switch down below here. This is also where your cruise and awake mode is. Very good looking dash. Work our way back over here to the passenger side of the boat. You're going to see a couple of compartments. You got a glove box down below. You also have grab rail along with 3 cup holders tucked out of the wind on this side, and there's a flip down table. Simply flip it down. You've got a nice little tabletop right here in front of the passenger seat. Doubles as a glove box. Very well done. You're also going to notice up on top of the dash they put the non-skid. That way your items sitting up there don't slide around quite as easily. So let's work our way to the bow of the boat. The bow is kind of a Yamaha highlight area. First of all, you're going to notice the size. Look at how big and how wide it is carried far forward. Very nice deep seating. Stainless steel grab rail. Cup holder out of the wind. Speakers out of the wind. Contoured seating that's very comfortable. A good use of stitch work along with the different contrast when it comes to their materials used really gives it a sharp look. But the size is impressive. And again, the condition of the upholstery is very nice. It is a 2017, but it shows virtually as new. So Yamaha is very versatile, and the bow section is probably as versatile as any in the industry. I love how they make it so you can remove the forward cushions. You do that, they've got non-skid down there along with the wraparound combings. You can actually stand there, do some fishing, or get on and off the beach with a little more ease. That's a really neat feature. And if you're interested in more room to lay out, take a look at the bow filler cushions that come with the Yamaha AR 240. Really makes the bow a full sun island, but they have more purpose than just that. So let's take a look. So Yamaha's creativity definitely is pretty cool, where you can take the forward bow filler cushion out. It actually has a place right in between, or right in front of the front windshield, making this kind of a third row seat across the bow of the boat. And Yamaha's creativity continues with easy access off the bow in regards to a few different things. The forward bow filler cushion can actually be set upside down. It has non-skid, so it makes for a nice step or a nice transition to the step on the front, along with the covered ladder that also has non-skid on top of that, making just an easy transition off the bow of the boat. As I mentioned, the ladder in the front, take a look at how they do this. It's held up with a nice strut. You have a 3-step stainless ladder, but you also have a nice area to put an anchor. As we're talking about storage, take a look at how Yamaha does this. These are pretty cool. Big flip-up hinge seats in the front, lots of storage in the bow of this boat. So a highlight feature in the 24, the AR 240, and I bypassed it earlier, I apologize, is the side compartment that can be used as a head. A porta potty can fit inside here. Elsewise, you can use it for just general storage. But if you take a look, they've got a toilet paper holder and a paper towel holder. That's pretty ingenious, and it's very, very clean, very well finished. The in-floor locker, again, held up with a strut. Very, very user-friendly, very deep. It's gasket sealed and drainable. Good looking in-floor locker, and it goes way up in the front. It's hard to probably even show you in video. And to work your way to the port and starboard side and the back, over here on the port side, you're gonna see a little bit of storage down in here. You also have your batteries along with battery selector switches. Very easy to access. Work your way over to the starboard side of the boat. You can see I've got the table in there, along with the bow and cockpit covers, and plenty of storage for more. So another neat feature in the Yamaha is the way they use this bow closeout door. That's very easy to use and very convenient on those cool mornings, but it doubles as the door to get you into the storage area under the helm. So before we leave the boat here, I've got to show you this motor compartment. This boat's a 2017. I understand it's used, but it shows absolutely amazing, and it shows just as nice in this motor compartment. 1.8 liter HO, the high outputs from Yamaha. Very dependable, very durable motors, and this motor compartment is absolutely spotless. And speaking of the engines, just so you can see it here, 308.7 on the port side and 308.1 on the starboard side. So that there kind of completes a quick video walk around of the outside, the inside, and some of the features on this Yamaha. Again, it's a 2017 AR 240. I would be glad to help answer any questions you have or set up a time to view. Again, I am Zach Pater here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. I appreciate you taking the time to watch our video.